Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair video. Today I am featuring this new non-slip wig from KLAIYI hair. This wig now features a silicone elastic band, so it gives you 360-degree security. It also has a deep stretch cap so that it can fit all head sizes, and the elastic strap can be adjusted on either sides of the lace. So you can tighten your wig and it's not going to budge. So here I'm just showing you guys how I prep my hair for installation. I'm just putting on a wig cap. You guys know I can't braid at this point, but I'm also adjusting the band so that my wig can actually fit nice and snug. Like, I don't want it to go anywhere. And when I tell you this wig is nice and snug, it's snug. The lace instantly just blends in with the skin. As far as styling goes, the wig is already straight, so there's really not much I have to do to make it look any better than it does. I am going to go over it with my straightener because there are some pieces that need to be straightened out, especially like in the root area, but I'm just going to like spot straighten. I'm going to take big sections and I'm going to straighten this. The best part about a Yaki textured hair is it's not much that you really have to do. It's straight already, it's textured already. If you wanted to, you could just leave it as is, but I like my hair to be super. If it's straight, I want it to be really straight. So that's all I'm doing. My straightener is set to like 450 degrees, so it's really hot and it's knocking out all the kinks, as you can see. And you'll see the difference from this side versus the other side. We're getting the job done, but I'm going to straighten it for you guys, and I'm also going to throw some curls in it because we love versatility. We like hair that can do both, be straight and be curled at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just here to show you. And this is what the wig looks like after it's been spot straightened. This is 24 inches on me. It's pretty long. I love the density of this unit. I don't know the exact density, but no worries. I will list all that down below, but here I'm just showing you guys how much movement and body the wig has. It is glueless also. I don't even have a hairspray on it, but I am just going to put some, this is some setting foam. I'm just going to put that on top just to kind of flatten it out a little more. Like, this wig is flat. It's really flat and the hair is soft. It's straightened well. It feels good, and I think this wig is constructed better. Like, they just kind of get better and better. I love the construction of this wig. I love how skinny the elastic strap is on the inside, and the wig is snug. It's not going anywhere. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and I love that for me. So I am going in with my curling wand. I don't know what kind of wand this is because it's really old, but it's one of those like flat ones, so it like gives you a like a wavy curl, not like a wand curl. I don't know, but I don't know the science behind the wand curls because sometimes I feel like a wand curl holds better than like a curl from a curling iron. It could just be me. It could be my iron's not hot enough, but this iron is only, it only goes up to 410 degrees. And I curled this wig days ago, and as I'm editing this video telling you this, it's still curled. So this wig holds a curl really well. I didn't add any hairspray to this hair this time because I just wanted to see how it held the curl on its own. So I love the way it curls. It's like a wave, like a loose wave, if you will. So this is what it looks like all done. Love it. I love the color of the hair. It's like a dark 1B-ish. Normally I want to dye my wigs black because my hair is black and I just think black looks good, but I think this looks good too. And here again I'm showing you that there's, y'all know I don't put glue on my wigs anyway, but it's super glueless. um and yeah, you also have a lot of parting space. This is a 7x5. I love these kind of wigs also because like you can do a deep side part like I'm about to show you right now. So I'm showing you right now I'm doing a deep side part. And this was also kind of easy to maneuver. I have like a molded middle part, but now I'm going to mold a side part. And as you can see, it wasn't hard to do at all. There is just as much parting space on the opposite side, but me, I like my left side part, my right side part. One of the side parts. So I'm also just adding a little bit of that setting foam there so the hair doesn't move, and that's basically it. The wigs are super versatile. They're getting better and better. And whoever came out with the pre all of that did a big one, because I do not bleach knots, I don't pluck, I don't cut, I don't do none of that anymore. So for the wigs to come, like basically ready to go, like bye bye knots, there is ready for you to just style. So that saves you so much time, and that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of KLAIYI's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.